Today we're taking a look at this Gulfmew 5 meter, it's about 15 feet coiled hose line. You can use it for RV, you can use it, if you want to shower, you can use it in the garden, patio, just in areas of smaller space where you don't need a whole lot of hose, but it's very compact and easy to store. It's going to come with a quick connect as well as a couple of different rubber washers, just in case. You got the old school spray nozzle that you'll hook up to the garden hose. So we'll go ahead and hook all this up and see how it performs. So we'll go ahead and get this on here snug to the hose bib, and then we'll go ahead and hook on the included nozzle. Screws right in real easily. We'll get that tightened up, and we'll go ahead and turn the water on. From the hose bib to the nozzle, it's going to extend about 15 feet. Let's say that's about good. And there's no leaks coming from either the hose bib or the nozzle. And just has your basic spray. Good job, Teddy. Comes out really strong. I was surprised. But you do have some flexibility. You can control on the lever how much you want to come out, or if you want like a really strong spray. And the spray is shooting probably close to 20 feet. This is probably going to be a pretty solid option if you need something in your RV, maybe your boat or your small patio area, or out here in a small backyard setting where you need to cover maybe only about 15 or 20 feet, or a close area, maybe you want to wash your car. The old school nozzle, I love these things. They're pretty solid and adjustable all in one, depending on how much pressure you're going to put on the trigger. Really good water flow, and you can control how much or how little the pressure. And you also have a lock here. If you want to lock and not have to hold on to this, you got that option. When you have this all coiled up, this can go, in your car, in your boat, your RV, in a very small compartment. Doesn't take up a lot of space compared to more traditional hoses with the coil design. It's designed to be quite a bit more portable in a lot of different settings.